everyone, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to successfully repeat the steps on your browser. So let's open the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. And here let's enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if this list is really long, it will be really time-consuming to remove everything manually, so simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we've got some kind of automatic options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookie sensei data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. It's up to you. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.